Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView and MT5. We'll start by understanding what each platform offers individually. TradingView is excellent for market analysis, while MT5 excels in trade execution. Combining them allows you to leverage the strengths of both, creating a more robust trading setup. This easy method will help you streamline your workflow and make informed decisions. TradingView is your go-to for in-depth market analysis. You can access a vast library of technical indicators, from moving averages to more complex oscillators, helping you spot trends and potential reversals. Its intuitive drawing tools allow you to easily mark support and resistance, trend lines, and Fibonacci retracements. Plus, organizing your favorite assets into custom watch lists keeps everything at your fingertips. Now let's dive into MetaTrader 5, the platform for executing your trades. MT5 offers a wide range of order types, including market, limit, and stop orders, giving you precise control. You can manage several trading accounts simultaneously, which is great for diversification. For those interested in automation, MT5 supports expert advisors, allowing you to implement complex trading strategies without constant manual intervention. The real power comes from using TradingView for your analysis and then executing those trades seamlessly on MetaTrader 5. This approach ensures you get the best of both worlds, superior charting and robust execution. By synchronizing your trading ideas, you maintain a consistent strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This combination will truly elevate your trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.